Sunshine strengthens the eyes too. Never should we look at the sun, we know that, but just being outside, the ultraviolet rays from the sun go through neurochemical pathways and hit different parts of your brain. You see, your eyes are an extension of your brain.
Imagine waking up one day and no longer needing to search for your glasses. It sounds unlikely, right? But according to Dr. BarbaraONeill, that might not be the case. She has some unconventional methods that could potentially help restore your vision naturally. Curious to know what they are? Let's address the magnitude of this issue. More than 2.2 billion people around the world are dealing with vision problems, including 12 million Americans over 40. And it's not just adults. Kids are experiencing more eye issues due to excessive screen time and lack of outdoor activities. Now here's a surprising revelation. Dr. O'Neill suggests that wearing glasses might actually contribute to lazy eyes, which could worsen your vision over time. It sounds unbelievable, doesn't it? It goes against everything we've been told.
And when you start wearing glasses, your eyes get a little lazy.
Sounds scary, right? But here's the good news. O'Neill claims there are natural ways to improve your vision. We'll explore some simple lifestyle adjustments that could help you see more clearly. Keep in mind, this isn't about quick fixes. It's about taking charge of your eye health. When I mention eye exercises, what pops into your mind? Probably not jumping on a trampoline, right? But listen to Dr. O'Neill's take on how rebounding could help improve your eyesight.
And rebounding strengthens the eyes. The reason rebounding strengthens the eyes is when you rebound, you increase blood supply more efficiently and effectively through the whole body.
You might be skeptical about how bouncing on a small trampoline could improve your vision. It all boils down to blood flow. By rebounding, you enhance circulation to your eyes, nourishing the tissues and potentially strengthening the eye muscles. Dr. O'Neill, who advocates natural health solutions, suggests combining this with a focus exercise. She advises shifting your gaze to distant objects while rebounding. This way, you're not only boosting blood flow, but also exercising your eye muscles. Dr. O'Neill explains her method. I focus on the window frame, and the plant in my peripheral vision jumps into focus. After 10 seconds, I shift my gaze. This periodic change in focus is crucial for strengthening the muscles.
So if every 10 seconds on the rebounder, you keep changing your focus, can you see how that is strengthening the muscles in your eyes?
The connection between rebounding and eye health lies in the idea that better blood flow nourishes eye tissues and reduces inflammation. While more research is needed to fully understand its benefits, Dr. O'Neill and many others believe in this method. Rebounding is a fun way to boost your eye health, but here's something unexpected. A remedy for vision improvement may be hiding in your pantry. Let's consider castor oil. I know what you're thinking. Castor oil for the eyes? Really? But give it a chance. Dr. O'Neill suggests that applying a single drop of castor oil on your eyelid could help break down cataract formation. The oil seeps through your lashes and reaches your eyes, addressing issues like cataracts.
And there is a way that you can get rid of cataracts, and that is 1 drop of castor oil wiped over the eyelid. It'll go through the lashes. The castor oil will penetrate in through the eyelid and also into the eye through the lashes. Castor oil penetrates deeper than any other oil, and wherever it penetrates, it breaks up unnatural formations, which a cataract is.
But before you try this, make sure to consult your eye doctor. Your vision is precious and safety is paramount. Now, moving from your medicine cabinet to the kitchen, did you know that eating the right foods could lower your risk of eye problems by up to 30%? Yes, your diet plays a crucial role in eye health. So, what should you eat? Dr. O'Neill recommends eye superfoods like leafy greens, such as spinach and kale, which are rich in lutein and zeaxanthin. These nutrients protect your eyes from harmful light waves and reduce the risk of glaucoma by 20 to 30%. And if you enjoy fish, you're in luck. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are rich in omega-3s, which can reduce the risk of macular degeneration by 30% over 12 years. Let's not forget about berries. Dr. O'Neill is a fan of blueberries and goji berries, packed with antioxidants that help prevent cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Studies show that people who eat more fruits have a 36% lower risk of these conditions. And don't overlook nuts and seeds. Almonds and chia seeds are loaded with vitamin E, zinc, and omega-3 fatty acids, which are vital for healthy vision and protection against cataracts.
The three essential food groups are fibre, protein, and fats. So the best fats are your nuts, your seeds, and coconut oil and olive oil.
Now you may be wondering how to incorporate all these foods into your diet. Dr. O'Neill has a simple solution. Try mixing them into a colorful salad. Picture a bowl of leafy greens topped with berries and sprinkled with nuts. It's not only delicious, but also a powerful boost for your eyes. Here's another tip. Dr. O'Neill points out that a diet high in sugar and processed foods can release calcium phosphate in the body, which could contribute to cataracts. So it's not just about adding good foods, but also about cutting down on harmful ones. While we've looked at natural remedies for eye health, there's more. What if I told you that improving your eyesight doesn't depend on a pill or surgery, but on everyday habits? Let's discuss some lifestyle changes that could make a big difference. First, sleep. Getting 7 to 9 hours of rest could lower your risk of glaucoma. A study published in Sleep found that those who slept this amount had healthier eyes and were less likely to develop glaucoma compared to those with less sleep. So, the next time you're tempted to stay up late, remember your eyes need rest too. Now, here's a more controversial idea. Dr. O'Neill suggests sun gazing for short periods during low sun hours to stimulate the pineal gland and boost melatonin production, but this must be done with caution. She recommends closing your eyes and facing the sun for a few minutes, letting the light penetrate through your eyelids. She explains, your brain needs sunlight, and it receives it through your eyes. It's an intriguing concept, but remember, always prioritize eye safety.
Sunshine strengthens the eyes too. Never should we look at the sun, we know that, but just being outside, the ultraviolet rays from the sun go through neurochemical pathways and hit different parts of your brain. You see, your eyes are an extension of your brain.
Let's discuss something more widely accepted, hydration. Drinking enough water is essential for more than just your skin and overall health. It's crucial for your eyes as well. Research shows that even mild dehydration can reduce tear film volume, leading to dry eyes. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water daily to keep your eyes hydrated. Stress is another factor that affects eye health. Dr. O'Neill suggests stress-reducing practices like meditation and yoga, which can lower intraocular pressure and improve overall eye health. It's not just about relaxing, it's about giving your eyes a much-needed break. While natural methods are great, let's not forget the importance of regular eye exams. Dr. O'Neill emphasizes the need for comprehensive eye checkups to catch conditions like glaucoma early when they're more treatable. Lastly, let's return to diet. Dr. O'Neill suggests a plant-based diet rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats to provide essential nutrients for strong vision. It's about making gradual changes that improve both your eye health and overall well-being.
So what should we be eating? We should be eating a diet that's high in fibre. So all plant foods have fibre.
We've covered a variety of natural methods to improve your vision, from trampoline exercises to dietary tweaks. The key takeaway? Your eye health is in your hands. Dr. O'Neill's methods aren't about quick fixes. They're about making sustainable changes that benefit your eyes and your body. It's not about overhauling your life overnight, but starting small. Maybe try some eye exercises or add leafy greens to your next meal. Your eyes will likely thank you. As Dr. O'Neill says, by taking a proactive approach to eye care, you can maintain clear and vibrant vision for years to come. So, are you ready to see the world more clearly? The power to improve your vision naturally is within your reach. Why not give it a shot? We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more health and wellness tips. See you in the next video.